The row measure order processing, it just means to iterate on your data row by row, something that's very intuitive, something that we are doing all the time. Let's take an example. Let's say that we have a matrix 7 times 4 for the students' grades, and we would like to compute the average grades per students. So we need the average here and here and here. So let's do something like that. We need to iterate over row by row, as the row here represents the 4 grades of every student, and then maybe sum every item of them, and then averaging that by the length of the list, returning the row average, which would be the average of every student here. That's all. But this code isn't Pythonic at all. I would like you to try to take a few minutes to try to make that very Pythonic code. We can convert all of that to a single line of code using two things. First, using the sum function. The sum function already can take the complete row and convert it back to just compute the sum over it. The second thing is we can use the list comprehension. So for every row, we will compute the sum of the row divided by the length of the row. This way we computed the total answer of the overall here. We will have a separate session back to the comprehension over lists of lists, but I think this is very intuitive for you. That's all.